Hi everyone. So today let us learn the BFS. So first we will learn the theory, then we go to the practicals. So first we will learn the BFS when only with the theoretical and with a good understanding. Then the same thing we will convert into an programming. So first the BFS. BFS stands for breadth first search. Okay. So this think we have some of the tree like A, B, C and B, D, E and F. So this is our tree. So this breadth first search is for the finding the shortest path. Okay, remember this one, to find the shortest path, and it follows the stack of Q. It follows the stack of Q where one by one all the elements come back, and it's go level by level. So first level will be A, means we call as level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, like that it's go on level 1, level 2, level 3. So the A is in the level 1, level 2, level 3. So how does it be solved? So the solution we will write here. So first it will start from A. I will write A. So then the level 1 has completed, so then it will go for the level 2. Okay, the level 2 should be completing full. So in the level 1 has completed, so in the level 2 we have B. I will take B. So it doesn't go for the level C, it just check the alternative is anything is there. So if it is there, so A, B, C, the A and B, A, B, C will be the thing. Then it will go for the next level, level 3. In the level 3 first it will check out the level 2 all the completed, and level 3. In the level 3 first it takes the B. B has D and E, and then after completion of this it go here at C, and it checks does the C has any level 3. So no level 3 for the C. So then it will come for D, and it will check does we have level 4. No. And in E, the level 3, it will check there is any level 4. Yes, there is a level 4 called as F. So this will be the answer, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so it will go for level 1, A, B, C, then B, D, E, F. So it can, I will write in random another thing, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, and G and H. So let's solve this one. Okay, I will write here, okay, this answer. So first A and B, C. So answer A, B, C, A, B, C. Then we'll go for the B, and B check for the F. Okay, then it go for the C, C, D, E, C, already done, D, E, we doesn't need to repeat. Then level 1 is completed, level 2 completed, level 3 completed. Now level 4, first we'll go for F. So after E we'll write F, G. In the G we have in the F we have G, and in the E we have H. So we'll take H. Yeah. So this is the random which I have taken, and this is structure. For understanding, just see this one. This is a complex thing I have made. So this is the thing. So now let's move on for the practical theory, and let's means with a code with an Python, and let us execute it. So without using a queue, importing a queue, we are writing this. Okay, let me show you. Before we go to the practical of that one, first let us learn how to represent this graph in the coding base. Okay, so I will write the same graph here, A, B, C, just a minute, A, B, C, we have D, E, and F. So see, just a minute, and okay, so see we have A, B, C, and B, D, E, F. So how to represent in the coding format? So this is called as graph. Okay, so we will write as graph G is equal to the open for brackets and the close for bracket should be open in the coding, but now you doesn't put. After your completion you should be putting, but now for your explanation I have put it. So first, how we will start? First, in the level 1 we have what? Node A. So I will take node A with a single quote, okay, because it's a character, single character. So in this particular node, how many elements, means leaf nodes, are there? So we have B and C, okay. So this will be written and we will put comma. Then we go for the next element which is there, means that the next root or leaf node, which is B. So in the B, what are the things are there? So the D and E are there with this comma, and in the C, what does you have? Can anybody guess? Yes, it is empty because there is nothing leaf node like that. And for the D, A has done, B has done, D has done, D. For D, there is nothing such thing. And for the E, yes, we have E as a F. What do you think? Does we completed? No, we have still remaining called as F. F is empty till here. Okay, we should checking all the things and should be putting comma. For last one we doesn't put the comma, and the flower bracket will be closed here. So I hope understand how to write this graph. If you understand this graph, your 25% of program you have learned, okay. So if you miss something, you will get an error like your graph of S is wrong or something, errors will be coming. So this structure is very important, okay. So, okay, welcome to the coding screen. So now we learn a practical experience of this program. So we are learning now the BFS, the bet first search. So as in the video I have explained how to create this graph. G means graph. Okay. So this graph is very easy where you can also create. Okay. So here means in the, if you just ask the question, same question with ChatGPT, it will give in the library format. It's just includes the from include queue. We doesn't use queue. The queue working functionality we have just converted into a list format. So there is no issue. The logic will same working same logic, but in a different format. Okay. So we have V and Q. V means visited and Q means queue. Okay. Q means a queue means where we have a set of elements. So we have created a function called as BFS. So we are passing the V value, means a variable which is visited, and the graph which we have created in the above, and N means node, the particular node which we are passing through the as in a function. Okay. Uh, okay. So after the function will run, this particular V and Q will be always be empty. So first we want to fill it out. So to fill it out, we should append it. Means append means we are adding the element to the particular list or a queue. Okay. So this will be added. So after adding, we'll call it a while loop. While loop means it works until all the elements should be executed in the particular list, okay, or else it could be array or anything. So we have used a queue. So while queue means till how many elements are there, it will execute. Okay. So the first of s of q dot pop is exiting the a, right. It will print s as an a, and ending the end double quote is spaces. Then we have the for loop, right. The for loop is very much important. Within the inside of the while loop, you should write the for loop. The for I, you can write instead of n, you can write neighbors. Okay, you just also add ni. Okay, let's put an nib, neighbor. Okay, so in g of s, If neighbor is not in the V, okay, then append neighbors. Okay, so we should appending the neighbors where means the surrounding the level 2 we are just appending here. That's all. I hope you are getting it. Okay, we think s of s is now a, the sub levels will be taken from here. That's all. And let me run this program and let us see the output. Expectation is a b c d e f. Let's see, we got the output exactly, that is a b c d e f. Okay guys, congratulations, we have learned the bfs and a good and deep meaning. And just subscribe this channel which helps for me to grow. Thank you.